We here at Contact strive every day to build the safest product possible, and today's video will highlight those standards and what we do to reduce on-job injuries. The first item we have is our roller guard up here, and those roller guards extend the safe work zone around the rollers while they are turning, but yet they still allow, due to the wide slots and the design, allow for easy clean out around the rollers.
Another area of focus for Contact is our climb ladder. Our ladder has extra large grab handles for climbing with gloves on, as well as making it very easy to maintain 3 points of contact. It also incorporates an easy climb, 10-degree climb angle. Large open-air rungs allow aggregates to fall through, reducing the chance for slipping. Our design has also eliminated the pinch points when you fold the ladder up. Another standard safety feature we build into every Contact mixer is our dual-purpose brake relay valve. This brake relay valve takes care of your service brake application as well as the park brake application on your bridge axle. That way, if the need should ever arise for the parking brake to be applied to the bridge axle, that takes care of that function and keeps it safe and locked at all times. Our standard additional safety feature that's built into every Contact mixer are the high-mounted 2.5-inch strobe lights and 2.5-inch stop tail turns for added visibility on the road and at the job site. And lastly, we have our chute stop mechanism. The chute stop eliminates the pinch point when folding down the fold over by not allowing the fold over to come to a fully deployed position until you manually release the lever to close. Once you're done pouring, simply fold it back up and the chute stop automatically resets for the next job cycle.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any questions, please see our website at ctmmixers.com or call your local rep for further information.